Repotting the first carnivorous plant.
Repotting Nepenthes times gymnamphora. Remove it from the pot. Remove old potting mix and dead leaves. This time, we'll use new potting mix. It's Ezo soil. Ezo soil is a porous, slightly acidic, hard pumice. It's a superior alternative to Kanuma soil. Regarding the soil ratio, use a mixture of 6 parts Ezo soil, 2 parts Kanuma soil, and 2 parts perlite. Place a large amount of Kanuma soil into a tall pot. Once the planting position for the Nepenthes times gymnamphora is decided, add the soil mixture. Since Nepenthes times gymnamphora is large, erect a support stake. Position the stake where it won't touch the leaves. Spread coconut husk chips on top. Reason for using coconut husk chips: to prevent soil from washing out when watering. When the water draining from the bottom of the pot runs clear, it's complete. I keep it in a location with a temperature around 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit, and humidity around 60%. I will make a video showing the growth of Nepenthes times gymnamphora going forward. If you're interested, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the video.
The next carnivorous plant I will repot is Nepenthes maxima dark lowii.
Remove it from the pot. If soil is clinging to the roots, please refrain from forcibly removing it. This is because it may damage the roots.
The potting mix for repotting is the same as for Jacquelinii gymnamphora, a mix of 6 parts Ezo soil, 2 parts Kanuma soil, and 2 parts perlite.
Place a large amount of Kanuma soil into a tall pot.
Once the Nepenthes is positioned, add the potting mix. After adding the mix, cover with coconut husk chips to complete the repotting. Finally, water from the top. When the water draining from the pot runs clear, it's done. Nepenthes maxima dark lowii has a new pitcher forming. I really want to nurture this pitcher well. I keep it in a location with a temperature around 17 degrees Celsius or 63 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity above 80%. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. What kind of potting mix do you use for your Nepenthes? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.